In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add app to Shopify Store. Think of apps as small add-ons that extend what your store can do, whether that's collecting product reviews, improving SEO, boosting email marketing, or adding shipping tools. We'll keep this simple, clear, and focused so you can confidently install exactly what you need without cluttering your store. First, open the Shopify website and sign in to your Shopify admin. This is your store's dashboard, the place where you manage products, orders, and settings. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm your store is on a stable internet connection, since you'll be browsing the app listings and installing new features. Next, use the search bar to find the apps section and look up the specific apps you prefer. In the search field, type apps to pull up the apps area, then continue by searching for the app you want by name. If you don't have a specific name in mind, type keywords that describe what you're looking for, like reviews, email, upsell, or SEO. Shopify will show a variety of results with ratings, number of reviews, pricing, and key features. Before you install, open the apps page and take a quick look at a few things. Check the overall rating and skim a handful of recent reviews to understand real merchant experiences. Look at the pricing section to see if there's a free plan or a trial and make sure it matches your budget. Review the feature list to confirm it solves your exact need. If the app offers screenshots or a demo, that's a great way to visualize how it will look and work in your store. Also, check the support or documentation links so you know help is available if you need it. When you're ready, click to install the app you need for your store. Shopify may ask you to review and approve permissions so the app can perform the tasks it's designed to do. Read through that briefly, then confirm the installation. The app will be added to your store and, in most cases, you'll see it listed in your apps area. Many apps will guide you through a simple setup right after installation, so follow the on-screen prompts and complete any quick configuration that's required. That's all you need to add an app to your Shopify store. Open Shopify, search for the app you want, and install it. Choose only the tools that serve your goals, keep an eye on performance, and review your apps periodically so your store stays fast and focused. You're all set to extend your store with confidence.